Arimi kaunti-ini ya Embu makoretwo magitara hathara kumana na tutambi na mirimu iria ikoretwo ikigumira mimera yao githiniko kiao kinene kiri ngunga.
Kahawa ni coffee berry disease CBD ndio imeaffect sana wakati huu. Haya mahindi, shida ya mahindi ni mdudu unaitwa hammerworm.
Ni kumana na thina uyu ruhonge rwa guthurima mimera bururi-ini KALRO rukoretwo rugitabania urigiti wa mimera kuria ataramu maracera icigo itiganite na warimi makarehe mimera yao iria mirwaru na kuheo urigiti.
And what happens in those particular plant clinics, it is suspected that the farmers come with their diseased plants. Those doctors, they diagnose, they make recommendations to the farmers, and then they tell the farmer exactly what they are supposed to do.
Tauguatu KALRO inyitanire na Canaribard ni mathundurite mutambo uri teithagiriria arimi kumenya o gatene tutambi kana mirimu iria yerekeire kugumira mimera yao na uguo magatacukia ikinya mbere ya mirimu iyo ingirite migunda-ini yao.
What we're doing is we're using earth observation data from satellites, combining that with field observations from farmers, from extension workers, from people on the ground, to provide pest alerts so we know what stage each of the key pests is at.
Mutambo uyu uriunganagia riboti kuma satellite-ini oroho kuma kuri riboti iria ciarekererio ni maabitha a ngirigaca riria macera migunda-ini.